Hey, cat, what are you doing here?
I'm looking for food.
Me too. Let's search together. This is mine! No, we should share it. No! I have an idea. Let's divide it fairly. That's not equal! Now the other piece became bigger! Still not equal! Toonie took another bite. Again and again, she kept biting the cheese. Soon, the cheese was almost gone. Only a tiny piece remained.
Now it's equal. And she ate the last piece too.
The fox stood there, sock earrings. Greed, he had been to loss. So, what did we learn from this story? Greed leads to loss. And cleverness always wins.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun cartoons.